Yamuka. Iko. Unaona pesa kana unde. Kwa hiyo jira. Agari aman. Kana. Kana. Ogeni bana. Kare ni uno kapteno arambe sta, Tôi cái bao đầu cái hậu được vừa, tôi yêu là, tôi cái đấy bé thấy chúng ta rồi. Đi cái ấy cả na đâu mẹ vậy? Gì đâu? Ha, cái gì đâu? Eh di dia lah hanya aku gitu sama tua kam ini dia sama aja waso ini dia asa ela tu meha mena besa ini mena tu dia gitu puja kita aku ada kita ana mai kakak mai ini nedra ni hani Ella, cagai. Aquí la toca. Kana mo dai kana ha yore da kujira. Na ke ai kila aja thai to ma to ma ko ma ha. Ke ko ma to ma. Ye bi amar ma ye. Toka. Mane dia pe ko ma. Banda balik. Good. Jembe. Mau kami ada lagi. Hai. Dia tahu dia. Mudah aku lagi kata hal itu. Kan aman. Una roba pasti dua tak, kalau dua pasti kau nak Rosa tunatoka kwa chini. Toi besha Asha. Toi besha bila mole ruta umai. Toi besha. Hiyo ndio tatu. Tia besha. Besha.
Na leo tumebarikiwa kuhost Gor Mahia hapa na nimefurahia sana. Game ya leo imekuwa nzuri sana, tumefungwa 2-1, lakini ukiangalia matokeo ya game na vile vijana wangu wamecheza, I think tulikuwa na upper hand. Kwa hivyo mimi nimefurahia sana, na tena vijana wangu wamepata exposure kwa sababu wengi wao hawajawahi kucheza game na timu kubwa kama Gor Mahia ama AFC. Kwa hivyo leo mimi nimefurahia sana, tumepata hiyo exposure, na kidogo kuna hizo game ambazo zitakuja za NSL. Hopefully hii itakuwa ni mechi zimetusaidia kwenda kusaikao vijana kwa hizo games za kuja za NSL hivi karibuni.
Future plans.
Plan yetu tunapanga maybe in the next 2 years, na hata kama ingewezekana pia mwaka tuna plan kucheza KPL, na tunataka kuwa timu ya kwanza kutoka Murang'a kucheza KPL, na hata sasa ni sisi timu ya kwanza kutoka Murang'a tumecheza NSL.
Mimi ni shabiki wa football, tumekuja huko kuona hii game ya Gor Mahia na MCCL. Manze tumefurahia, at least tumeona game live hapa karibu na sisi. So ningependelea kuambia the organizers wameorganize wapange mingi zikuje. At the same time we urge the national government and the county governments organize game mingi kama hizi hata counties, tutembee tuone games na to improve the talents za vijana. Siko najua kama vijana hawa MC watacheza na FC na Gor Mahia, lakini wako na talents. So let us improve the talents, na kuna talents mingi zenye hatujui kama ziko. So we like the organizers, nimeona wamejaribu, let them be supported, but maybe the county government your support and the well wishers wanaweza support hii game endelee. Sasa hapa hatukusema ati ni BBI ama kieleweke ama tangatanga ama nini. Game yote imekuja kuleta Kenyans together. What we need most sasa saizi ni amani, na kila mtu hata atoke Kisumu. Tunaona kama sasa Gor Mahia ametoka Kisumu amekuja Murang'a, na Murang'a tutatoka hapa na tuende Kisumu. Hivi ndio tunataka kukue sasa. Tunataka amani, kuna peace na unity among our Kenyans.
And I'm happy to be here. We have had a very good match between Gor Mahia Football Club and Murang'a Seals. I think this is something that says a lot about youth development, that we need to use our youth for purposes of development, that we need to guide them, that we need to sensitize them to go the correct direction. We must take our youth away from drugs, away from violence, and away from politics. That is, we should not be using them as hooligans. We should be using them as footballers so that there can be professional development, because football is an industry in itself. If you look at what people earn in the West, in the English Premier League, in the Bundesliga, in the La Liga, and in Serie A, or even the EPL, you will see that what they earn per week is something that I earn in 3 years. So why don't we develop our youth to go and play football, and not only to play football, but to be responsible citizens?
I must confess that we have had a good game, a very good game. We didn't expect that much, but Murang'a still qualifies to play in the Premier League, and they just need to do 1 or 2. But so far they are doing well, and they played so well. We had a good game, and I think I would say I wish them well. I think they are playing NSL, but they are, to me, in my own assessment, they are qualified to play in the Premier League. This is our second time in Murang'a as Gor, and we are doing that because we want to remove the notion that Gor is a Luo club. It is not. If you look at our club, Gor Mahia, we have 5 internationals from various countries in Africa: Cameroon, Malawi, Uganda, and Cameroon, Malawi, Uganda, and this I'm forgetting the other country, but it shows that we are not talking of one tribe representing the country. Now look at the players who are in Gor locally. Most of them are not even Luos. Like we are in Murang'a here, it's like we brought Macharia. Macharia is a Kikuyu and he plays for Gor Mahia. We have Miheso, a lawyer, playing for Gor Mahia. We have Momanyi, a Kisii, playing for Gor Mahia. And the list is long. So inclusivity is something very important that we need to encourage. Even the Murang'a Seal, I think you should also follow what Gor is doing.
Yeah, I think as far as government priorities about stadium is, and I don't want to be seen as if I'm criticizing anyone. What we need is not stadium. What people need are pitches, because as long as you have nice pitches, I think these kids you see here are able to play. They don't have to come here 8 kilometers. We don't need stadium. We need pitches. Because if you can have pitches in every ward, we have 3 pitches. I think that's I mean, we do have a problem with crime here. I mean, and as you can see these kids, you can see how they excited about seeing grass. I mean, this is just grass. This is just grass and water. And the county government and the national government are able to do some of these things. I mean, you don't need those stands. You can see people are able to sit in. They are able to sit on the grass and watch the game. They're able to sit. Around the pitch. They don't need stadium. All we need is pitches, and that is what I want to ask the county government, the national government to do. Not do multi-billion pitches, no billion stadium. What we need to do is to have pitches. If I am sure if the coach here can bear me witness, he can say that he has maybe 50 players, but are they going to fit here? They're not going to fit here. That we can take advantage of, even when you're talking about building bridges. The best way to build bridges is through sport, because sport does not discriminate. You are either good or you are not. You are either my brother or you are my sister. And sport doesn't talk about are you in ODM, are you in NAC, or are you in BBI, or you are against BBI. Sport, if you call anybody here, you've asked anybody here about whether they know what even this fight about BBI is, they will not tell you what it is. But sport is a way of bringing people together. People don't have to look at each other like, what is your surname? What is your first name? So this is a way, and I want to invite even the government, the national government and the county government to take advantage of this. And some of us are in this thing because we love the game and we know how the game can be used to unite, not just in this country, but all over. When there is a World Cup, we all know that what happens. All of us go to our TV screens, regardless of where we have come from. So I think this is something that we need to pick up. Personally, as a chairman of Murang'a County Football Federation, I've vowed that I'm going to bring people together, regardless of whether they are in which constituency, regardless of where they are, whatever political affiliations. And please, I'm asking the leaders, let us come together and use sport to bring our people together.